DGI Supply is a family-owned business that goes back to the 1930s. Business data for us is very important, how we do business going forward, especially day-to-day for our outside salesmen. It allows them to see what they have historically for their customers and also be able to plan what they can sell into their customers in the future. With Phocas, we get those results immediately within a couple of seconds, where before we would wait 2 hours for large data sets. It was getting that immediate data response. We were having problems with the amount of data we could get to our outside salesmen. Now we have all those tools in their hands, so we actually can go back and give them 6 years of sales data for their customers. So when they make that first call into their customer, they're armed with a lot of information already. They're not cold calling anymore. They know what they've bought. They know what margins they've bought it at. So they know really what the historical information with that customer is before they even go in there. So they have something to talk about. The other thing we're really trying to push the boundaries on is how we're going to prospect new business for our company. We can go in with a game plan, which we haven't done in the past. It's been kind of shot and miss. Now we're going to be focused. We'll go in there and we'll find out what that customer is already using, if that opportunity matches with the vendor. And now when we go in with our vendor partners in there, we're going to have a success right off the bat. The people that have used it, they're really finding new ways to actually go into certain customers, existing customers, with new product lines that they didn't try to sell before, because we're seeing that relationship data that this customer uses product A or product B, they should be buying something else. So it's really helped them to penetrate their customers farther and deeper. But really, I think the most benefit to our sales force is getting in there and seeing that data to be able to identify your new opportunities. I think that's the biggest thing.